is for you, specifically for you. All our followers, subscribers, future subscribers. Once again, I am B Times here with.
Hey everyone, I'm back again. It's your girl Lauren. We have a special guest with us today, wavyrell.
So everybody follow the kid _wavyrell.
And we'll make sure we post everything down in the description box. Again, we hope that you all enjoyed that intro. Now we're going to go ahead and get right into it. We're going to introduce what we'll be eating. So, I got that mukbang. This is a shrimp.
Obe shrimp.
Oh, Obe shrimp. Yeah, Obe shrimp sub. Sorry. I'm just
What you got on it though? What you got on it?
It's nothing on it. Just cheese and onions because I'm plain Jane. And I got that, you know I'm all about that sharing the cook, but today I'm going to be sharing it with Karina. Shout out
Karina.
Hey, big ups, all about that cook game.
Shout out Karina. Look like Katrina outside, but shout out Karina.
The weather is definitely, it's not permitted. It's like stupid dumb out here.
Anyway.
But anyway, on to what you got, wavyrell. What you got for the mukbang?
I just got a simple steak and cheese sub. I got lettuce on it. Cheese, of course, American cheese. Ketchup and mayonnaise, onions, and I don't bang with the tomatoes, so don't put that on my side.
There you go. And as you can see,
and just simply mixed berry. That's one of my favorites right there.
as you can see, the wind is coming in, so it's like lifting up the boxes. So don't think this is any, paranormal type of stuff going on or any effects from the camera. I'm just letting you know. Put a disclaimer out there. So, Super B, what you got for the mukbang?
Alright, I got the mukbang with the chicken wings. You know what I'm saying? I got the Old Bay extra crispy fried hard. Get it how you live. Got my, I got the blue raspberry slurpee. You know how we do.
Slurp.
Got the barbecue. Got a little ranch over here. Let's get it.
Can't do
Exactly.
Let's get it. We can't do it. We flesh.
Can't do that.
There's some fries though.
Dip.
Oh, and we got the fries though.
Can't do
Salt and
that.
pepper only, yeah. Nothing else.
No.
No, it's a little Old Bay on the fries though. Put them Old Bay on that fries.
It is about 4 sprinkles of Old Bay.
It's saying, man.
Dang, my man gonna sit there drinking nothing like that. I swear to God,
And this food came from America's Best. They be slipping sometimes, but hopefully it's good enough.
No, you doing right.
Hey, bro.
Sauce.
Who ready for that game tonight? Like, what?
Who's wrong?
I don't even know who I'm going for. I don't even like basketball, but we gonna see. We all about LeBron.
I ain't going for that snake, and that's one thing y'all shouldn't be doing out here. Alright? You a man of integrity? You like being real? You don't like snakes, bro.
So, who you talking about?
KD!
What you saying?
Talk
I know
over
y'all.
here.
They was cooking him. They said his head looked like one of them nutty butter dogs. Oh my God.
No, it was a chocolate drumstick.
Oh, yeah.
And then with the cookies on the joint.
They sure do.
Hey, genius.
Somebody put up a
But
picture
you know
of
when
it.
you in your zone, you know what I'm saying? You don't have time for all that glitz and glamour and all that.
You don't got time for a brush?
Nah.
Shit.
No bar.
You got time for a brush. Who brushed their head the whole time? Shit, I got him good.
If one of my favorite rappers of all time, Hov, if he got probably 2 times the bread KD got, he brushed his head when he got a low cut because he got a little bush now. I don't know what he's going through. But
That means you better drop another album.
yeah, but it's like, you know what I'm saying? Like, come on, bro. If Jay-Z can brush his joint, I'm going to need KD just one time. I just want to see what it look like, bro. Let me see what it look like, bro.
Umbrella over here.
That's all. It feel like a umbrella fat.
I don't know how I'm feeling about this food. It's a little, This bread is awful. It's alright,
I'm gonna heat it back up.
I ain't gonna be mad. Sorry. Got your sub.
I think it's a little plain, but it's salty.
Yeah, it's a little salty,
It's the onions.
but it's good though.
I hold that for the wings. What y'all on?
Alright, I'm going
Right here, I'm 23 years old. I'm
Stop
chilling here with my folks. And, they got any friends that's watching this video, y'all interested in Hit me up.
And again, the link for his social media will be in the description box.
Yeah.
Be there.
No baby daddy drama neither. I don't need none of that. None of them fake thugs pulling up on me, nothing like that. I don't need that. But
You want me to shoot me in the gym?
if you then hit my phone. It's over.
It's all positivity. I spread the love by sharing the coke with Karina.
Shout out Karina.
Oh, cool.
I don't even know.
It just says on the bottom.
They got everybody named the chills up there. Man, crush all these guys.
No, I'm not even done.
I know let me these 10-piece wings.
Nah.
They dip.
The good thing about chicken is like the gristle on it when it's fried right, it just tastes so good. That's where it holds all the flavor is on the bone. If you didn't know that. If you don't know that. That's why they drop smoked turkey necks and shit like that. Bones be carrying the flavor.
If you eat that pork. Oh, you said smoked turkey necks. Never mind.
I don't know what I said.
That's what I call it. You said turkey, I said pork.
But definitely, again, just let us know in the comment box. I know we got, our subscribers, they up. We definitely appreciate of them. But make sure that y'all giving us comments on what you would like to see, what the content is about. Make sure you tell a friend to slap that thumb. I want to see the views match the thumbs up. That's what we want to see. And keep it going. If y'all enjoy us, we definitely enjoy y'all having us on your screen, whether it's your cell phone, your TV, or your computer.
Game system, whatever.
All that. On that game system.
Can I ask him a question?
Yeah.
I want to know what y'all think of that new Kanye album, real quick.
I don't talk about.
I want to know. I want to know because I definitely didn't listen to it, and I just want to know how does it hit? How does it sound?
And there's some shit that starts out poopity soup, bitch. Get the fuck off my shit.
I ain't look.
They need to play that shit in the dog park. My niggas walking their dog, they picking the shit up. Don't forget to pick up that poopity swoop, poopity.
I don't know how y'all rock with that.
And then that's the motherfucker right here with the childish Cambino. Nigga, this is America.
That's what I'm saying. All right, I'm about to buy childish.
Hey, no.
I ain't heard it. You might have to check it out.
Yeah, just comment on the link of what y'all think about that new album because I ain't definitely listening to it.
I
thought that I ain't no chicken one.
Be real to this handling me.
We're gonna do a poll in the comments. What do you feel like is better? Steak and cheese sub, or grilled shrimp sub, or crispy wings? Old Bay wings, fried hard. Matter of fact, don't even have to be Old Bay wings. Any flavor wings that you like.
It just all depends where you go to.
Hey,
I want to know from different places.
That's what I'm saying.
Exactly. As start to expand, start to travel, want to have the good food. That's what we're gonna start putting out. Once we travel, it's gonna be food vlogs as to what tastes good, what is good, the culture in different areas. So bring us that information so we can start looking into it. So we can bring y'all with us. Who? You.
Yeah. Y'all ever thought about cooking a dish on here?
You don't
know how to cook.
I don't cook, nigga. No.
I cook.
I'm eating.
But I eat out a lot.
I eat. I don't cook. I eat. I don't cook.
I'm not eating. I ain't cook. I'm coming on with that. Some in the future. I want to do a cooking one because I came up with some recipes of my own. You know what I'm saying?
Here we go. Super B could cook. And then you could try it, right? You could just try to do it.
I'll try.
Taste that good.
How was your sub for the most part?
It was straight though.
It was straight?
These little motherfucking cocktail shrimp. So somebody skimping me. I had a problem with that. As much as you charge for this shit, you gonna need 7.
Tree?
Bro, I noticed that on the seafood, man. They overcharge you for that seafood, but they sure do be scamping on it.
Like, look at this. Look at this.
Oh, damn.
Look at this.
That's not longer than even. Your nail longer than that.
No, I'm gonna eat it though. No, I'm just saying. Like, when you leave, I'll be talking shit again.
You back there eating them.
You gonna be back at America's Best Wings eating?
Yeah.
Maybe.
Let me get a,
The same sub, just with bigger shrimp. I'm like, that's all we have. Oh, for real? That's some bullshit. What's up with y'all? Damn!
Y'all gonna sit there and let me get my,
Yo, sir, came to drip, drip, drip. Came to drip, drip, drip.
My sub dripping water. But for the most part,
Oh, that sauce.
That's not water, that's sauce.
it's good.
That's that mayo drip drip.
That's that mayo right there.
I know you're something about the cream puff. You didn't eat all them chicken wings.
Nigga, I can eat this. I'm hungry.
Just a fun fact, she actually used to be in Chinese chicken wing eating contest.
Damn.
That's what she trained for, hence her hair. She be training for this shit, peeling them off like a chicken wing. Like, they go back straight. They go what? They
Like
go
corn cob?
basically. Basically. But yeah, she is trying to be the world's local champion in the food contest around here.
She's here?
So make sure y'all vote for her.
I was gonna say, I'll come through. I'll support.
Support. Others support others. That's
I
the
would
last
try it
time.
if I did only do that spicy noodle challenge.
Support. People act
Right.
like support costs you money. Support and respect is priceless. Every time they have a video, always want to make sure there's a message in there. Got to.
Support local businesses too, man. And
Without asking for a discount. That be the shit they give me.
Period.
Like if somebody asks me to do some makeup, they be like, I tell them the price, they be like, oh, I don't get a discount. Was you with me buying the makeup? Was you with me getting this talent that Jesus gave to me through these hands?
Mukbang just turned into food for thought.
Exactly. Mukbang, food for thought edition. Brought to you.
Brought to you a part by SBATV.
Hey.
I'm telling y'all, support is free. You can do it. You know, you can sit here and support your friends that you know for years, not a month, not weeks. Years. You can support your friends instead of hopping on social media and supporting these celebs that you never gonna meet. Ha! Let's get to it.
Support is real.
Get them wavy.
Don't make me get the preaching.
Preach wavy.
Preach.
Preach wavy.
I'm gonna let y'all be. I ain't gonna
There, and we support not only because we have a YouTube channel, but we support tons of other businesses. Make sure that we shout people out if it's anything that y'all want us to, take out there and promote. All I'm looking for is just to be able to get this money, can do it together, because we can help and others can help us. And so it's all about growing the giving tree of life. Woo! Advice from your girl Allure, and this is free to you because I'm gonna get back and I'm gonna start charging $3.99 a midnight.
What, like this clear?
Yes, what you talked about last video, right? I see I'm all there.
So tell me about what you're doing like for your makeup clients. I'm interested. Also too, y'all make sure y'all check out my cousin's stuff. Let her beat your kid's face because I know I don't look right. Anyway, so tell me like what you've been doing. Like you've been getting people right for prom. You've been
it's been proms, graduations, just really getting them out the way. All my stuff is self-taught. This ain't something that you go and get a certificate and you say, hey, this is what I want to do, but I do it because I enjoy it. It's a form of artistry and it allows me to show my creativity. So that's how I get it done. Like I said, we'll start bringing some more of that to you. If you want to see that on the channel, just let me know and I'll go ahead and do, some alluring makeup faces for you one-on-one. Just let me know what works for you. That's what the comment box is for below. It is available for you all to say what you feel and just let us know where we can go from there and where we can grow. So That's what it's about.
All right.
Thanks for staying with us while we finish all of our food. This the Mukbang
with the chicken wing.
Hey, and the steak and cheese sub. Hey, with the shrimp sub. Hey. So again, thanks for tuning in. If that's your first time coming in, make sure you go ahead and you slap that thumb, subscribe to our channel, comment, and share. Until next time, this one's for you.
Much love. Peace.